Okay, what are you cooking today?
I'm just boiling some vegetables to make some soup.
But why is there no whistle here?
I'll put it once the steam comes up.
And how will you know that? Like, how many whistles? Till how many whistles will you cook the food?
Whistles.
Yeah.
How many whistles?
I mean, we do here, no? 4 whistles, 6 whistles.
Four
I think.
whistles.
Yeah.
Yes. See, so now what I'll do is I'll wait for the steam to rise.
Okay.
So you can see the steam?
Yeah, yeah. I can hear the
You
sound
can,
as
yes,
well.
you can hear the sound and you can also see the steam rising. So now I'll put on the weight.
Okay.
So now what is happening is it is locked now. No more steam can escape from this vessel.
Yeah, right.
So now what will happen is that the volume inside is fixed
Volume of steam.
of the entire water plus
Correct,
steam.
correct, correct.
The internal volume of this vessel is now sealed. This is airtight because there is a gasket around the lid.
Obviously.
So this now it cannot escape. There is a little marginal escape.
Yeah.
That is actually negligible.
Okay.
And then what I will do is I will wait for the steam to build up.
You don't have to let it escape.
No. It
But
will,
that's
it will
what we
cook
had
at
been
high
doing.
pressure. It will cook at high pressure. So high pressure is because of this weight. Now the steam cannot escape. So there is a lot of pressure build up inside because of the steam. Now we just wait for a little bit.
When it starts to like wobble.
It will start wobbling and it will, yes.
This point.
So what I do is I will not wait count any vessels. Okay. I will wait for this pressure to build up inside. And once it's built up, then it will release some pressure here. So then what I will do is I will reduce the flame here. Keep it at the minimum because that means that now it has reached the optimum pressure.
So you mean we don't have to keep releasing the pressure?
You don't have to
build up.
yes, because the vessels come only when there is extra pressure which has been built up.
Which gets built up because of the flame?
Yes, because you're giving it more flame, you're giving it more heat than is needed. Okay, so that is not needed.
So we're wasting the fuel?
We are wasting.
Okay.
And then now I will let it cook. I have a kind of a rough estimation that how much time each food product takes to cook.
Yeah,
to soften down.
Correct.
So according to that, I will not count the vessels here. I will look at the clock here.
Okay.
And accordingly, and then I will switch it off. I will switch off the flame. And then also it will go on cooking for some time.
And whistles are not required at
No,
all.
no. Why do you need a whistle?
That was a good timer, I guess. And
No, this is not a timer. This is
I
not a
thought it
timer.
was important for us to let the pressure, whatever is building inside,
up.
to
Yes,
let it
built up.
escape.
No, you don't. You know, then what you are doing is you are giving it high heat.
Correct.
And that's a lot of wastage of energy, which it is going on releasing because it's too much inside.
You mean once it is built up?
Once it is built up,
let it be like
let
that.
it be like that. It is
Food
at
will
the
be cooked.
highest possible pressure. And
Yeah.
so the temperature is also the highest possible temperature according to this built up of this vessel. So you leave it there. You don't give it more heat so that it escapes.
Okay,
So
it was
the
only
whistle-
because
the
of the
whistle
fuel
happens-
I was providing.
Yes,
It
yes.
was continuously
Yes.
building up the
Exactly.
pressure and then it had to escape
Absolutely.
also.
It has to escape. So if you lower this, then what you are doing is that I am saving fuel
Yeah.
and the cooking time will be the same. Exactly the same.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
That's
So if it is
interesting.
if it is something which is takes a little more time to soften down, like peas or chickpeas or
Correct.
kidney beans,
Correct.
things like that, rajma and chole, it takes a little more time. So the time will be exactly the same whether you keep it high or low. It will soften down in the same time.
Today, this advertisement I saw from the government makes sense, that use pressure cooker instead of open vessels for
Absolutely,
cooking.
absolutely.
Maybe because
Absolutely.
they save
Because
on
open
fuel
vessel, of course,
actually.
everything is all escaping. The
All
pressure is
the
not
time.
high. It is the pressure of the room.
Oh,
that is
yeah.
the pressure. But when we use a pressure cooker so that the
Much
pressure is
higher
higher,
pressure.
much higher.
Lesser fuel will reach more temperatures and
yes.
easier and
Higher
efficient
temperature,
cooking.
higher temperature means the food will soften down
Quicker.
When using a pressure cooker, ensure that the cooker has ample space for steam to build up. Don't fill up more than 2/3 of internal cooker space. There should be enough water inside the cooker for generating steam. Different food ingredients take different time to cook. While cooking in a pressure cooker, don't count whistles. Keep a check on the cooking time. Even after turning off the fire, the temperature inside the cooker remains very high. Allow to cool before opening the lid of the pressure cooker.